All right, guys, so we are going to do 3 different square root problems. So the first one we're going to look over at the 16, and so that's our area. So we need to think what 2 same numbers multiplied together get you 16. Because remember, a square is going to have 4 equal side lengths. So you wouldn't be multiplying 16 times 1, because that would mean you'd probably more have like a rectangular shape. We need to have the exact same 2 numbers multiplied together. So you got to think about what numbers you would multiply together to get 16. And if any of them, you just do the same number. So in this situation, it would be 4, because 4 by 4 is going to get you the area of 16. So 4 times 4, and it's always going to be the same on both sides. So then if we have this length is 6, and we need to find the area, that means we need to square this number, which means doing 6 times 6 to be able to get our middle number, because what you're doing is going off and thinking, okay, 6 times 6, this is going to get the area of 36. All right? And then we also have one more square, but this is not a perfect square, as there aren't 2 exact same numbers that multiply together to get you 71. So what you need to think is, what is the perfect square before this, and what is the perfect square after this? So the one that's closest to this is in between 64, and then our next perfect square after that is 81. So this would mean it's in between somewhere of 8 and 9. So this means this is going to have a decimal. And if you actually calculate it and take the square root, which, just a reminder, that means taking the square root of 71, we should get an answer in between 8 and 9. And if you calculate it, you get 8.4. So approximately our side lengths are about 8.4. All right. So pause this as you guys go if you would like to be able to ask yourselves these questions and go through it again, or watch this as many times as you like, but otherwise just figuring out the different choice menus items after this as you have a better grip. Awesome. Thank you.